What's up everybody, Naresh here, welcoming you back into another video. And in today's video we're going to have a look into this Charmast 10400 mAh power bank. Video is very much straightforward, where first we're going to see what comes with this charging bank along with how it is designed. There are some best features which we're going to talk about, ending with my conclusion. So let's get into that. Nothing which I forgot to mention all the time, that if you are new here on my channel, you are most welcome, and do consider subscribing, because here on my channel I tend to review tech product. Here we have everything which come with this power bank, starting with the user manual, one quality pass certificate, and a thank you note for choosing Charmast, one short length micro USB charging cable, and now in last but not least, power bank within its dedicated pouch, which is of very premium and fantastic build quality. Now in terms of design, this power bank is ultra slim, come in a pocket size and very easy to slide in your pocket. Come with the thickness of 15mm and weighs only 225 grams. Now, on the power bank altogether you have 3 output ports. Out of that, 2 of them are completely dedicated for the output, and one of them, which is USB-C type, you can use to charge your mobile phone or charge the power bank. Also come with the 1 micro USB charging port for charging this power bank. Now, as I mentioned in the beginning of this video regarding the capacity of this power bank, which is 10400 mAh, comes to the power output of 38.48 watt hours. To charge this power bank, you can use the micro USB input, which can be 5 volt at 2 ampere, or a USB-C type input, which can be 5 volt at 2.6 ampere. In terms of output, all USB ports support 5 volt at 3 ampere, which is classed as a fast charge. Now, if you closely look into the power bank, it is all in premium quality. Now, right on the top of a power bank, you have a LCD display, which can be activated by using this power button. As soon you press it, it's going to show you how much charge is left in your batteries, and at the same time that how much you can output, is it outputting or inputting, everything about it. Very useful display if it's compared with my all other reviewed power banks, where you're going to only get the LED indicator. You exactly don't know how much is a percentage left in there. Now let's go ahead with a very quick demonstration, where we'll be using one of the USB port to charge my mobile phone, which supports the fast charge. There you go, right there, P30 Pro. So when you connect it for the charge using this power bank, on a status display indicator, you're going to see the status, that how much is the battery left in there and how much output it's working onto. At the moment of time, it's using 5 volt at a 2.1 ampere. Now let's connect up all 3 ports and see the output coming out of this power bank. Okay, USB-C. I've got another USB-C port here, which I'll be using to charge my Apple Pros and a kid's tablet. Now we are using all 3 ports at a 5 volt 3 ampere each coming out of it, and you can easily see that the battery status is going down. Now when power bank is on charge, you're going to see the in sign on the LCD display, and you can also use the power bank while it's charging to charge your other mobile phone or any other device you would like to do too. Now in terms of charging your devices, power bank works great, no problem whatsoever. It is only 10400 mAh. With the help of full charge of this power bank, you can actually charge your iPhone X 2.5 times and your Samsung Galaxy S9 2.3 times, if I'm saying it right, actually, twice actually technically, and your iPad mini 1 full time. That's not bad at all. Now if you'd like to get yourself a bit clarification, I will leave the link in the video description, which will completely clear you if you have any questions. In terms of compatibility, power bank is universally compatible to work with iPhone, Samsung, Huawei, any of those. It just works, don't worry about it. Now for the charging current option, you have only 2 options, one which is 2.1 ampere, another one is a 3.0 ampere. That's about it. And obviously the power bank is a future compatible, come with the USB-C type port. Now, in my previous power bank videos, I have been asked that can we use the power bank in aeroplane. Yes guys, this one which I'm reviewing It is easy to go through airport security without any problem. Now we are at the point of recommendation, that what I think about this power bank. Now in terms of build quality and design, it is fantastic, works as a power bank. That's how you expect it. Small in size, you can keep in your pocket. That's not bad at all. In my previous videos, the power bank which I have reviewed, most of them are in a 20,000 plus milliampere hour range, but obviously they all depend on the price you are paying for it. This is not a very expensive product at all, not going to break your bank at all as well. I will leave the link in the video description which will tell you the latest price all the time. It is really a nicely designed power bank by Charmast, and I would recommend it to all of you. So that would be all from my side, guys. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you think I have not covered something which I missed in the video, please do let me know in the comment section down below. I will be happy to comment on that. That will be all, guys. See you in another video. Bye for now.